Welcome to Tubify, your ultimate tech hub. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Garmin Instinct 3, a rugged smartwatch rumored to redefine outdoor adventures. What groundbreaking upgrades can we expect in this powerhouse device? Stay with us till the end to uncover all the exciting details. You won't want to miss it. Refined design with enhanced durability. The Garmin Instinct 3 is expected to retain its iconic rugged look, but with some modern design refinements. Rumors suggest thinner bezels for a more compact feel and improved materials like a stronger polymer case reinforced with carbon fiber. These enhancements could offer better impact resistance while maintaining the lightweight design that outdoor enthusiasts love. Brighter and more versatile display. A major upgrade anticipated for the Instinct 3 is its improved display technology. Garmin might introduce a full-color, high-contrast MIP, memory in pixel, display that improves visibility in all lighting conditions, including direct sunlight. This would provide a more engaging user experience while maintaining the power efficiency that adventurers rely on. Superior battery life with enhanced solar charging. Battery life has always been a key strength of the Instinct series, and the Instinct 3 is expected to push this further. With next-generation solar panels and an optimized battery management system, the smartwatch could deliver up to 60 days of battery life in smartwatch mode and even longer in power-saving mode. This makes it perfect for long expeditions in the wild. Advanced health and wellness tracking. Garmin is likely to introduce cutting-edge health tracking features in the Instinct 3. Expect improvements like enhanced heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking for blood oxygen levels, and stress management tools. Sleep tracking might also get an upgrade with detailed sleep stage insights and recovery analysis to help users optimize their fitness routines. Garmin may even add skin temperature monitoring for more comprehensive health metrics. Upgraded GPS and navigation capabilities. Navigation is at the core of the Instinct series, and the Instinct 3 could see significant improvements with multiband GNSS, global navigation satellite systems, for pinpoint accuracy in challenging environments. New navigation tools like real-time breadcrumb trails, preloaded topographic maps, and satellite imagery overlays are expected, making it an invaluable tool for hikers and adventurers. Enhanced sports and activity profiles. For fitness enthusiasts, the Garmin Instinct 3 is expected to expand its activity tracking capabilities. New sports profiles, including indoor climbing, HIIT workouts, and winter sports, could be added. Enhanced performance metrics like VO2 max, training effect, and personalized workout suggestions are also likely to make an appearance. Smarter connectivity and everyday use. While the Instinct series prioritizes outdoor use, the Instinct 3 is expected to improve on its smart features. Rumored upgrades include expanded notification support, Garmin Pay for contactless payments, and enhanced integration with smartphones. The inclusion of Bluetooth 5.3 could offer faster, more reliable connections for syncing data. Sustainability and eco-conscious design. Garmin might lean into sustainability with the Instinct 3 by using recycled materials in its construction and improving solar charging efficiency. Packaging could also be more eco-friendly, aligning with the growing demand for environmentally conscious products. Thanks for exploring the amazing features of the Garmin Instinct 3 with us. If you enjoyed this review and want more exciting tech content, make sure to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Tubify and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews, leaks, and updates. See you in the next video.